Okay, we are here today to hear a speech by Laura Manning. And in attendance today, we have Emma, we have Ellie, we have Missy, we have Julie, we have Papa, and we have the glorified camera. The other way? That way?
Yes, there you
The
go.
glorified cameraman. Alrighty, you're on.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining me. My name is Laura Manning, and hopefully by the end of this, I can persuade you to start recycling your water bottles. Water bottles can be detrimental to our ecosystem, and in order to preserve our world, we need to start cracking down on our recycling habits. I was eating sushi one day, and all of a sudden it occurred to me that in about 10 or 15 years, I may not be able to eat sushi anymore because water bottles are going to kill out all the fish. Large pieces of plastic can entangle turtles, birds, sharks, and other marine animals. Many groups of animals interact with plastic pollution, including mammals, fish, sea turtles, sea snakes, and seabirds. Fish and other aquatic creatures are necessary for our life cycle and ecosystem to properly function. Without fish and other aquatic animals, our lives are in danger. According to an estimate by the Entanglement Network, lost or discarded plastic is causing the deaths of perhaps 2 million seabirds and 100,000 marine mammals every year. And that is from author Connor. Direct interactions between wildlife and plastics include wildlife entanglement and debris, either at the surface of the water or in subtidal habitat. And I'm going to pass around this first picture, and it says that every square mile of ocean contains 46,000 pieces of floating plastic. Entanglement can cause distress in animals, and in some cases it can cause fatalities of hundreds of individuals. Additionally, one of the largest concerns with marine plastic pollution is the effect that ingested pollution has on wildlife. It is thought that birds, and most likely all marine predators, mistake plastics floating in the marine environment for prey species. Ingested plastics can have a variety of negative effects on seabirds, including reduced appetite, growth, and dietary efficiency. It is known that plastics-eating animals may die of starvation as their digestive tracts become blocked or ulcerated. And that's also from Connor. According to a 1975 U.S. National Academy of Sciences estimate, commercial fishermen alone purposely dump 52 million pounds of plastic packaging into the ocean every year and lose an additional 298 million pounds of plastic nets, lines, and buoys. By reducing the production of certain plastic objects and increasing the amount of waste we recycle, we can make a difference in our planet and save the lives of precious sea creatures. I'm going to start passing around the second picture. A beverage six-pack holder, for example, an extremely common form of plastic waste, are reported to have a life expectancy of 450 years in seawater. Consequently, 11 of 23 U.S. coastal states have prohibited the use of non-degradable plastic beverage rings. By recycling plastic waste, we can save the aquatic creatures that are vital to our ecosystem. Recycling policies are becoming increasingly prominent generally, and plastic water bottle recycling is the forefront of many recycling policy initiatives. Recycling will save aquatic animals by reducing the amount of harmful objects in the water, and it will also make our ecosystem a whole healthier environment to live in. In order to restart recycling, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just to create a designated bucket specifically for recycled products, and you can take the recycled waste products to any public school or building, and they will have a larger box specifically for recycling products, and they will take it to its designated area. More and more neighborhoods are requiring homeowners to purchase recycling bins, and on trash day, the garbage truckman will dispose of your recycled waste for you. If we all work together and set a goal in mind of recycling our plastic waste, we can save the planet one creature at a time. Thank you.
Yay!
That was good. Excellent.